Today, we're going to the market to shop for dinner. You'll need to choose one protein, one vegetable, one grain, and one drink. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer, or take on the full challenge by letting it play. At the end, post your dinner creation in the comments. Let's stop at the protein stand first. Should we go left or right? Remember, we are picking our protein out. The protein is on the left.
Hello. Welcome. How's your day going? Thanks for sharing. Today, we have 4 proteins for sale: salmon, chicken breast, beef patty, and pork ribs. Let me know which one you'd like. Great choice. I'll get that ready for you. Would you like a paper bag or plastic bag today? Will that be cash or card?
Great job choosing your protein. Now let's find a vegetable. Should we go left or right? Going right.
Hi there. Welcome to the vegetable stand. What brings you in today? Oh, that sounds great. If you're looking for fresh vegetables, today we have 4 vegetables for sale: broccoli, carrots, zucchini, and corn. Great choice. That will be perfect for your meal. Would you like a paper or plastic bag for your vegetables? Great, that will be $4. Cash or card today?
Your meal is really shaping up. Now let's pick a side by looking for a starch or grain. Going right.
Hey there, I've been inside all day. How's the weather out there? Thanks for letting me know. Today we have pasta, red rice, sweet potatoes, and garlic bread for sale. Great choice. I might have to stop by your place for dinner. Would you like a paper or plastic bag? Okay, here you go. Cash or card, please.
Your meal is almost complete. Now let's grab a drink. Should we go left or right? Going left.
Welcome in. It's great to see you. Have you had a busy day so far? I see. Well, today we have some refreshing options for you. You can choose from cola, fruit smoothie, Italian soda, or a chocolate milkshake. Let me know what sounds good to you. Will that be cash or card today?
You've completed your shopping. Great job. Now post in the comments and tell us what you chose to make for dinner.